to this edition of Empty Zone Nutrition Kitchen. I'm Vicki Preston, your host, and today with me are...
Hi, I'm Shelly Banks. And I'm London Hall.
Empty Zone is Jack Sparks' after-school program for ages 5 to 17, and the 3M stands for Motivating Maximum Movement. One of the goals of the program is to introduce kids to a healthy lifestyle that includes being active and eating right. Each month, we feature a nutritious, kid-friendly recipe on our website, along with other resources and tips to help you and your family eat healthy. They are easy to find. Just go to jackspark.com and click on the link for the after-school program. Today we'll be making cool summer salad.
Here's what we need. Sliced cucumbers, sliced tomatoes, sliced red onions, and Italian dressing.
Okay, London, now would you mix everything together, please? And make sure all the fresh vegetables get the Italian dressing on it. All right, now go ahead and serve us some so we can give it a try. And tell me what you think. So Shelly, how do you like the salad?
I think it tastes delicious.
And what about you, London?
It's great.
Say it's great. Good job. Remember, you can find this recipe and video along with other great information at jackspark.com. And thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time. And until then, we'll see you in the parks.